Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to get and extract that date from a date in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you want to go ahead and create a new workbook or select a file that you already have that you want to edit. So guys, let's go ahead and select our file right here. As you can see, we currently have a table and there is a date at the end of this table that we want to extract the date from. So let's say that you have a lot of dates that you want to extract the days from, then you have to do the following guys. All you want to do is go ahead and first find a column where you want to extract the date from. Then you want to go ahead and start typing in the column, guys. You want to go ahead and type it in exactly as me right here. Type in this formula. Type in equals text, open brackets, then type in the value of the field right here. Go ahead and click on the field. As you can see, this is A14. Then you want to type in a semicolon, and then you want to type in for these guys right here. You want to type in for this, and after that just guys go ahead and close the bracket right here. Type in the formula exactly as me, and after you're finished guys, go ahead and click on enter, and now in your language it will be appear the name of the day right here. As you can see, this is currently Saturday and here it says Saturday in my language. And now guys, you will be able to do this for every field that you want. You can just drag it after completing the first field, and then it will change for every field. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you extract the day from the date. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.